Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today we're going to do a Dollar Tree haul. Alright, so I had to switch things up just a little bit from fall because it gets overwhelming and then there's just so much out there, and then I just kind of need a little break. So I went to Dollar Tree, grabbed some items, and these are what I'm going to be using in, I guess I'd say, the next few videos, if not a few after that, because I want to finish some fall. I think I want to do one more Halloween video. So let me know in the comments if you guys like Halloween. I don't love Halloween, but making crafts for it is super fun. So the first thing is these wooden crates. I picked up 10 of these. I love these. I haven't done a fun like crate hack video in a long time, so I thought I would try to figure out some new ideas for these. Wood planks are back at Dollar Tree, and I love these. You can create so many fun things with these. You can create like large centerpieces for your table with these, smaller ones. You can even just create smaller signs to your tray decor. There's just so many fun things you can do with these wood planks, and you get 6 of them for only $1.25. And I don't know if I said this, but this is a very random haul. So you're gonna see like maybe some stuff for Halloween, and maybe stuff like things that you can organize your home with. Like I just have so many different ideas in my head right now of what I want to do for videos without getting super burnout, because honestly it gets very burnout doing crafts after crafts after crafts. Okay, so next thing is this really cute wood round. It says welcome, but even if you don't want to use like this per se, you can always flip it over, use the back side, or paint over the front, which I will be doing something different with this. But if you like it for decor, super cute. I grabbed some canvases. These are smaller. I don't think I've ever seen smaller canvases at the Dollar Tree, but you get a 3-pack and $1.25. I think that's a pretty good deal. Just a chalkboard. I grabbed one of these white mugs. This was new. I don't think I've ever seen this before. It's a really cute like ceramic vase, and I thought this was adorable. And I think it'd be really easy to paint. It kind of has that like terracotta. Is it like a terracotta, like a ceramic pot? Anyways, this will be super easy to paint over, and it's just so cute. Also grabbed these candle holders. I think these are really cool. And then I also grabbed these candle sticks with the spider and spiderweb on them. I wanted to get a little bit of Halloween in the house, and I thought these would just be really cool. I also grabbed, of course, the good old basic candles. I love these for just a clean, solid like base. For either like Cricut or even Chalk Couture, window clings look really great on this. I recently did a window cling video, and you can add window clings to these, peel them right off, and then you can just keep reusing the same candle over and over, or the same window cling over and over. Really cheap, inexpensive DIY to create. But I grabbed orange, I grabbed white, I grabbed a couple of each of these, obviously for some fun projects. Of course, I just grabbed this little glass vase. I think these ones are really cool. They've had these for years and years on end, but I actually think one of my first videos I ever did was with a couple of these. So it's kind of nice to see some of like the old OG things still at Dollar Tree, but I have an idea for this. I also found these brand new items at Dollar Tree. These are really cool shelves, and they're actually made pretty decent. So if you do actually want to hang them, I'm going to use them for a project. But they are pretty solid for a shelf, and it's only $1.25. That is like that's such a steal for shelves. Although they're kind of small. I'm not sure the size on these, or if it even tells me, but it's a pretty decent size. I'd say it's at least a foot. So super cute. I just grabbed 2. I also grabbed some of these photo frames. I love these. I think these are really cool because it kind of gives you like a little centerpiece, but you don't have to just like stick a picture inside of this. You can add whatever you want to this. So I'm pretty excited to use these. Just a random wreath form, because you never know when you're going to need one. And I wanted to make wreaths this year. I wanted to make more for fall and more for Halloween, and I never have these laying around like I used to. I also talked about doing a sticker video. So if you are not new to my channel, you probably already heard me ask if you guys wanted to see sticker videos. It's been a minute since I have done stickers, but I have a ton, but I wanted to get some new ones and some different ones, and just something that I could, just new things I could create with. So I did grab these like jewel borders, and it doesn't matter what color you get because you can always paint over these. I also grabbed this Starburst gem one. I thought this one was actually pretty cool. I also grabbed these really fun ones. I love the looks of these. They kind of look vintage. So I did grab a pack of these and then a pack of these. I think those are neat. I think these are really cool. I haven't seen these. I guess I really haven't looked at stickers in a long time at Dollar Tree. I also grabbed some of these rub-on transfers. Now these are older, but every now and then I come across these and I just have to grab them. I don't really love all the cactus and like succulents, but I do like this like black and white. So grabbed those. And then I thought these were really cool for spring maybe, or I guess just anytime you want to create a craft, I suppose. But I really liked these little flowers. I think that those are really neat. And then I feel like I've used this one in the past, and it just has like a little flower truck on it along with some flowers, and I just think those are super cute. And then the last like sticker item I grabbed was these poster stickers. These are fun to use because once you peel these off, like peel the sticker off, you still have like the inside left over and you can use them as stencils. So there's like a twofer right there for you. I love anything that I can get my money's worth. So you can actually use these a couple different ways. All right, and I wanted to show a couple organizing things. I bought these a while ago, still have not used them. So I wanted to organize like my bathroom a little bit and like some of my makeup items. So I did grab like this, and this is a vanity organizer, but I thought this would be really great for like your mascara or brushes or anything like super small here, or you could just use it for like toothbrush and toothpaste. It really doesn't matter. So there's a couple different ways to use these, and I feel like I want to do a video on that. So I won't give away like all of my ideas for all of these, but I did grab this. I also grabbed some of these stackable organizing drawers. These are super nice. My daughter actually has some of these in her room, and she uses them to put bracelets in, which I think is like a genius idea. It keeps everything so organized, and they are actually made pretty decent. So I think that is a great deal for organizing items like this. So how cute is that? It was like under $5 to buy 3 of these, and you can put all kinds of things in here. And I got 2 more items to share. So I did grab this 7-pocket organizer, and I'm thinking, I'm not sure what I want to use this for yet, but I feel like there's going to be something that I'm going to want to use it for. It looks like they use it for like towels, which I guess is kind of smart if you only have 7 towels. So I don't know. I just thought that was neat. It was something different that I haven't seen before. Last thing is these containers. These are in like the bathroom section. And so were like the, obviously this was too. They're actually next to each other at my Dollar Tree. But I thought these are really cool. So either I'm going to use these in the bathroom, or I might use them in the craft room. Like, I'm not sure yet, but I grabbed 3 of those. And that is it. I just wanted to do a Dollar Tree haul, just relax for a second to get my mind with the crafting game, just so I can come up with some good, quick, simple DIYs for you guys. But that is it for the video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love you to stick around and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.